guys, assalamu alaikum. Today we're making homemade ginger juice. So we got our ginger here all nice and clean, and we've got 1 lemon going in it as well. So we're gonna blend all these together. We got our blended ginger here, and we're going to add water to it. Mix all that through. We're gonna sieve it in here. So at this point we'll be adding our nutmeg in the ginger, and we will sieve it again one more time. So we stir. But this time we're gonna use this
fine sieve.
So you see how clean, and there's no ginger bits or the nutmeg that we put in earlier left in the ginger. I sieve it all nicely. Only the flavors are left inside now. So I'm going to add some sugar vanilla in. This is sugar vanilla. I'm going to add mint essence, food flavoring. There's not a lot left. I'm going to add all of that. It was quarter left in it earlier. Also this one, half of it left. This is mixed fruit. I'm going to add that in as well. We need flavor in the ginger. 2.5 cups of sugar is going in too. And then we're going to mix. Make sure we mix everything thoroughly until there's no sugar left underneath. I'm going to add some in a glass and try and see if it's nice. That is nice. Wow. Oh my god, it's so nice. When I make ginger, I make it like an ice lolly for the kids. So I fill this up. Move that a little bit. So feel this. That's all we've got for you guys today. This is our homemade refreshing ginger. So we got the ice lolly ones for the kids. We're going to put it in the freezer. And can you see these bad boys here? The kids will have it later. Alright, bad boys. This is all that we've got for you guys today. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it. So thumbs up and like our videos, share, comment and send it to your friends. and then we'll be doing more videos. Yeah, that's it. That's all we got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.